and welcome to today's Tech News Roundup, and we've got three major stories shaking up the tech world today. Let's dive in. The drone giant has officially launched its first ever robot vacuum cleaner. DJI, the world's leading drone manufacturer, has begun rolling out its Romo series robot vacuums in Europe, with the lineup starting at €1,299 and going up to €1,899. This marks a significant pivot for the company as it applies its aerial robotics experience to home cleaning. The flagship Romo P features a transparent body showcasing DJI's precision engineering, door extendable robotic arms for corner cleaning, 25,000 pascals of suction power, and a door mop system with automatic washing and drying. The vacuums leverage DJI's omnidirectional obstacle sensing system and their drones using binocular fish-eye vision and 3 wide-angle lidar sensors to detect objects as thin as 2 millimeters. The series includes 3 models, Romo P, Romo A, and Romo S, with the top model featuring 55-watt fast charging that fully charges the battery in just 2.5 hours. While the launch has begun in Germany, France, Spain, and Italy, a US release remains unconfirmed, likely due to ongoing regulatory challenges. Microsoft experienced a massive service disruption affecting millions worldwide. The outage, which began at approximately 11:40 a.m. Eastern Time on October 29th, was traced to a configuration change within Azure Front Door, Microsoft's global traffic routing and content delivery network layer, which triggered DNS failures and widespread access issues. The disruption affected Microsoft's Azure cloud platform, Office 365 applications like Word, Excel, and Outlook, Microsoft Teams, Copilot AI Assistant, and Xbox gaming services. Major companies including Starbucks, Costco, Kroger, and Minecraft were also impacted, along with Alaska Airlines, which experienced disruptions to key systems, including their website. The timing was particularly unfortunate, occurring just hours before Microsoft's scheduled quarterly earnings announcement and affecting even the launch of The Outer Worlds 2, one of Microsoft's biggest game releases this year. KALABASH54, the fintech subsidiary of the Wakanow Group, has officially launched its new Kalabash Cards, a multi-currency payment solution designed to revolutionize how Africans handle travel and lifestyle payments. The card suite features 3 variants: the Elite Black Card in US dollars, a Premium MasterCard World Card with a sleek black metallic finish, the Deluxe and Leisure Card in US dollars, which are MasterCard Platinum cards, and the Naira Card, a MasterCard Standard card for local transactions. All cards are available in both physical and virtual formats and can be easily ordered through the Kalabash app. Users can fund, spend, and earn cashback rewards across both Nigerian Naira and US dollar transactions, whether shopping locally or internationally. According to CEO Ladi Ojuri, the cards aren't just payment tools, but lifestyle enablers designed to offer flexibility, security, and instant value through cashback and exclusive benefits for modern travelers and professionals across Africa. That's all for today's tech news. Stay tuned for more updates and remember to follow us for the latest in technology. And don't forget to tell us which news interested you the most. Thank you for watching.